Hello, my friends. Today's story is Happy Easter, Little Critter. Happy Easter, Little Critter by Mercer Mayer. It's Easter morning. I bet the Easter Bunny has already come. I'll quietly tiptoe downstairs and find all the Easter goodies before anyone else wakes up. But as usual, my little sister is up before me. I got a toy egg that you can look into, a wind-up bunny, some candy chickens, a bunch of chocolate eggs, and millions of jelly beans. The Easter Bunny gave my little sister the same things. Dad says that's so we won't argue. Mom says we can't eat any of it until after breakfast. After breakfast, we have to get dressed for church. Dad starts the car and we all get in. My little sister likes to get all dressed up, but I don't. At church, I can't see anything because everyone is wearing funny hats. After church, all the kids dye Easter eggs. I think my eggs are the best. While the eggs dry, we have a big picnic lunch. Then our parents hide the eggs in the field. We're not supposed to peek. Next, we all line up and run into the field to find the eggs. Sometimes too many kids find the same egg. Sometimes you walk right by an egg and someone else finds it. Sometimes the little kids don't find any, so you have to help them. But by the time we go home, everyone has had a happy Easter.